Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create token on Dexscreener Moonshot. Right, so it's really easy thing to do. So once you are in Dexscreener here, on the left side you will see this option of Moonshot. So if you want to connect on the top right side corner, you can see this. You can connect your wallet. So if I just go and click on connect, I can connect my Phantom wallet here, and it has been connected, right? And this is my tokens here, right? So you can just go and click on launch our token now. So I will just go and click on launch our token now here, and we will get these two decks here, that is Meteora and Radium. So but there's a different kind of, here you can earn LP rewards, and here you can't earn any kind of LP rewards here, right? So I will just use here Meteora, and we will just go and create a token symbol here, then token name. So I will just write here token name here, and description I'll just write here something, right? This is just an example video, right? Then we have to upload a coin, then a banner, then we have to add all the social media links, right? And this one is optional because this is very first person to buy your token here. So I can just change this up, right? We can just change it to this SQL, or let it be a Solana here. Then I agree to the Moonshot terms and condition. Here you can say insufficient balance, so there should be a minimum 0.025 SQL, right? So once you have sufficient balance, you can just go and click on launch token, right? So this is how you can do it. Same goes for Radium here. You will also need the same thing. This is it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.